Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we are going to see top 3 academic search engine. Who will be benefited out of these are like researchers, students, anyone interested in academic research, lecturers, professors, teachers. So you will be definitely benefited out of this. So let us see the top one. That is first one is the connected papers. Okay, here you can see. Don't worry, I'm not going to explain about a Google search engine, Google Scholar. Okay, so these are extremely different and these are extremely benefit for you. So first one is the connected papers. So what is connected papers? These is a website that helps researchers and applied scientists to find and explore papers relevant to their field of work. So it does this by creating a visual graph of papers that are related to each other. To create this graph, Connected Papers analyzes about 50,000 research papers and selects the one with the strongest connection to the origin paper. Like the origin paper, what paper you are trying to search it for. So to use a connected paper, simply enter the title in this particular place. Okay, so you can just enter the title or a keyword or DOI or any other identifier which are relevant to the paper. So first, for example, I'm just going to search for machine learning. This is simply I'm just giving the keyword to predict systemic lupus erythematosus. Okay, I'm just going to enter this and I'm going to click build a graph. So before building a graph, just you can see, like, you can either give a paper that is a DOI or the paper URL. You can directly give the URL, or you can give the paper title, semantic scholar URL or PubMed URL. Okay, so let us see how it is showing the relevant graph. Okay, so once type this and click build graph, let us see how it is building a graph. Okay, so we all know that everyone are working, most of the papers are there for the cancer disease. Okay, so I'm just going to see here. Okay, so if you click on the show more, you can see data mining. Okay, and you have various options here, and this is how it is showing. Okay, data mining, I'm just giving data mining here, and I am just going to explore this data mining. So you can see here that this is the connected paper. So see what are all the papers which are connected. It is showing the connected graph. Can you see here? So the first one is the origin paper, which I have given like data mining. Okay, it is showing what are all the other papers which are relevant to this particular journal. If I click this journal, it is showing how it is connected. Okay, if I click this journal, it is showing how it is connected. Okay, you can see you don't want to go and specifically search for every individual paper like individually. Okay, you don't want to search for the papers individually. You can simply select, you can simply give the topic of the paper where it will show you how exactly it is connected with. Okay, so here you can see connected papers. Likewise, I can also check for machine learning to predict systemic lupus erythematosus. So what happens here, you have an option. Okay, you have in every paper you can see these options. Okay, so this is connected papers if you want to explore the connected paper, and these are all the other important. So this is, I think, Google Scholar, this is DOI, this is ARXIV. So all these things are available here. So let us just explore this, what it is happening. Just go and click here connected papers. Okay, and once if you click the connected papers, it is showing you what all the other papers which are connected. It is building a graph. Okay, you can see here it is building a graph based on the first paper, that is the origin paper which you have given, and it will show you what are the other papers which are connected with it. See here, you can see various papers are connected. Okay, this is the graph which shows like you have nearly a lot of papers here from 2015 to 20. It is showing, and you can click on any paper. You can click on any paper. It is showing you who has created this, like who is the author of the journal. And if I click this, it is showing what is the title of the journal, who is the author of the journal, and everything. Okay, so you can make use of this in your literature review in order to explore more about your topics and everything. Okay, fine. So it shows like if you wanted to open the graph of this, you can even open this and see for any other specific thing. And if you want to more graph, if you want to see more graph, you can log in. It is free to use. Okay, if you can sign up, actually you have to sign up because this is the first time which we are signing up. So you can continue with your Google and you will explore more. So with no white, let us go to the second top, that is the base. Okay, base search, which is another academic search engine. This is a multidisciplinary search engine to scholarly internet resources, and this is created by the Bielefeld University Library in Germany. Okay, it is based on free and open source software such as Apache Solar and Viewfind. So, Base currently indexes over 300 million documents from more than 10,500 content providers. These documents include full text articles, books, chapters, conference papers, and other scholarly materials. Base is one of the most voluminous search engine for academic web search. Okay, and why I made this too, and why I made the academic connect connected papers first, because it is showing you the connected graph of multiple journals. Okay, so that is why. So let us search the same term here. Okay, machine learning to predict systemic lupus erythematosus, and click search. So what it will do is it will search from the variety of document, and it has given you this much result. Okay, so this is the journal exploration of machine learning method, and what is the they have published it, and in which journal they have published it, everything. And you can see the citation here, what are the citations they have made, and who are all cited this particular article. So everything you can find it here. Okay, so you can use this for your learning and understanding. Okay, you can see who are all published the journal on this particular topic. And you can find that here. You can see author search. If you wanted to search for any specific author, you can find it here. Okay, and if you wanted to search for any other subject, okay, you can also search there. And what is the you can find the statistics, science and sociology, where it is, and the year of publication. When it is published, you can select the publication year here. Okay, and also you can see the who's a content provider and language, document type, and access, whether it is open access or unknown, or terms of reuse. Okay, how you can reuse it. So all these things are available here. This is another search engine. So let us see the third search engine, academic search engine, which is OA.mg. Okay, so this is also a search engine for academic paper. It indexes over 250 million papers, over 10,000 journals and repositories. This is free and open source services, and it is available in English, French, German, Spanish, and Portuguese. So to use OA, simply you can enter the keyword. Okay, so here you can simply enter the keyword and press enter. It will start searching for the paper, and it will give you more and more data. So you have filters here on the left side. You can see the filters like what is the time, all time, like what is the when it is published, based on the publication, based on the open access, country, journal, and citation. You can search for all these things. The filters are available here. And other than that, you have other options like this is papers, and if you want to search for authors, you can also click it here, and you can see like what are all the journals, what are all the papers which are published on the specific topic. You can simply select on anything. They will also mention like it is an open access. Okay, so you can click here and see how it is written and everything. And if you want to generate a citation on MLA, on the under, you can see the citation APA or Chicago or IEEE or Harvard. So you can generate the citation for this particular paper. You can simply copy this and paste it in your references where you wanted to add this paper as a reference. Okay, and also they have given you the referenced paper, which paper has referenced this particular this particular article. They have also given all the paper under that. You can find and explore more about this particular search engine. So I hope you found this video helpful. So we have discussed about top three academic search engine which will be useful for everyone. All the researchers, PhD scholars, students, lecturers, and professors. If you have any doubt regarding this, please let me know. Try these top three academic research search engine and let me know what the next video you wanted to see in the top three list. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.